I fell asleep, then woke up again. I'm gonna have some of this mackerel and tomato. I missed this. They had this in Portugal, but it just sucked over there. I'm sure it's gonna be perfect here. Good morning, guys. I'm going to pick up a package. It's gonna be sent back if I don't pick it up by today. And I really need those components. It's basically the final few components I need for the electrical setup that I've been raving about for a while now. The final part is getting shipped to my cousin in Copenhagen, and I'm gonna build it there. My tools are getting shipped there as well. So watch out. Soon there's gonna be a video about how to make this setup. I'm not sure anyone's gonna want to, but hey, it's gonna be there. Wow. Beautiful morning though. I think I just found out how to use image stabilizing on this phone. Oh my god, that's probably about time, huh? Alright, I picked up the spare tube and a replacement screen for my phone and a couple of other things. Time to go back. Probably wait on the train station for a while. I'm getting some of these mangoes for myself, man. I fell in love with them. They're delicious. Leon's getting some other mangoes.